Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I know I look really weird because I don't have mascara on, and that's because we're going to be testing out the Milk Makeup Kush Mascara. So if you want to see how this product works, then just keep watching. Okay, so like I said, we're going to be testing out the Milk Makeup Kush Mascara. I look crazy, and that's because I was testing out the Maybelline Lemonade craze. I don't know which video is going up first, so if this one's already out, I will link it up here, but if it's not, it should be out in 2 days or 3 days, 2 days or 4 days, because I do one Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Anyways, so this product is a new mascara from Milk Makeup. It is $24. Let's see. It has 0.34 fluid ounces. Let's see what the claims are. It says that 95% people saw high volume, 95% of people saw longer lashes, 90% saw thicker lashes, and 90% saw lifted lashes. Let's read about this product, shall we? I'm gonna go to their website. So, it says that it is naturally lit, conditioning hemp-derived CBD-infused cannabis oil fuses heart-shaped fibers to lashes for thickness without the fallout. The hydrating formula also allows the hollow fibers for a double dose of volume. Puff Puff brush. It's a tapered tree-shaped brush with crisscross bristles, coats and lifts every single lash from root to tip for a defined clump-free effect. Layer on for added intensity without glops. So then why cannabis, it says. Ever since the inception of Milk Makeup, we wanted to create a product that provides the amazing properties of cannabis. When we started talking about coming out with vegan, high-volume fiber mascara, we knew we couldn't use beeswax, a common binding component in mascara formulas. That's where hemp-derived CBD-infused cannabis oil comes in. It gives the formula a creamy texture that allows for smoother application on lashes and an easier tug-free removal, as well as an additional conditioning benefit. Kush Mascara is the vegan way to get major volume and healthier-looking lashes in one hit. That's cute. Okay, so one thing I like that it says is that it removes easily, and I will put in the description if it actually does, because I just tried out not that long ago the Benefit Bad Gal Bang, and I do really like that mascara. My only complaint is taking it off is a pain in the butt. I really wanted to say something else. So in the description I'll put if it actually is easy to remove. So let's go ahead and open this bad boy. Whew, that is heavy. So I know I have crazy makeup on, which I don't normally, but I made sure not to do any eyeliner so that we could see what the effect of this will be. So I'm going to zoom you in real quick and then we will test this out. So I'm going to show you what the brush looks like. Ooh, she's big. Okay, so let's just stop wasting time and let's just do it. Okay. Ooh. I know people have a thing with smelling things, so it does have a smell, but it's like a smell of nothing, if that makes sense. Like, I don't know how to explain it. It doesn't smell. It just smells like mascara to me. Oh my gosh. Okay. So the brush is big, but I don't know if it's because I think I have big eyes that it's not bugging me. Holy shit. Alright, we're going to dunk in again and go to the next eye. So this is one layer, and just with this I think it looks really nice. Now I know with mascara you're supposed to wiggle a brush, but I'm going to tell you right now, when it's the morning and I just need to get out and go, I'm just going like this and getting it on. So that's why when I do these kind of things, I do it like that, is because the majority of the time that's how I'm going to do it, because I'm in a rush. So with doing it like that, it still looks really nice. I'm going to go ahead though and do another layer because I like bigger, and so let's just see. Me. Remember that whole when you're going fast kind of thing? Now I have to let this dry. I'm gonna go ahead, let this dry, zoom you back out, and then we'll be back to talk about this. Okay, so we're back. I fixed the problem. So my thoughts on this is actually I really like it. Like, I really like it. So I did, obviously you guys saw, I did not curl my lashes. And if you see, like, this lash of mine on this side is always more curled than this one. So even right now, this one's still more curled than this one because I didn't curl them in advance. But if you look, like, these are still curled up at the ends, and they never do that. So I do believe the lifted lash part of this. High volume, yeah, I would say, and I would say if you took your time, you know, instead of going fast and getting a glop on your eye like me. But if you took your time, you could definitely get these built up longer lashes. I would say my lashes are longer than normal. I know some mascaras won't get them even just this long, so I do believe in that. Thicker, yeah, definitely thicker, like especially right here. It's really thick, and right here. Like I said, after I kind of did the glop, I kind of stopped, but I probably could have built them even more intense. So far I actually really like this and would definitely recommend it. Like I said before, I will put in the description box down below how it was to take off. But that's all I have for this video, so thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next one.